Once the sheep brain is exposed, you can perform a mid-sagittal cut. You can accomplish this by slicing down the longitudinal fissure, separating the cerebral hemispheres. This will allow you to see the deep-lying structures of the sheep brain. It might be necessary to use a scissors to remove any connective tissue. You'll be able to view the inside of structures such as the cerebellum, which has gray matter, as well as white matter tracts sending information to and from the rest of the brain, as well as the thalamus, which integrates sensory information. You will also see the brainstem and some of the underlying structures. As well as the sheep's equivalent of the precuneus. If you look at the ventral portion of the brain, this will allow you to differentiate different regions of the brainstem, such as the pons, located here, as well as the medulla. You can also see different lobes, such as the frontal lobe, being highlighted here. If you perform a horizontal cut, that will allow you to see the white matter tracts that carry information throughout the brain. These tracts send information to and from the cortex. If you perform a coronal cut, you will be able to see the striatum. Striatum highlighted here also includes the nucleus accumbens, that white dot. If you proceed to cut more tissue horizontally, you will make it to the roof of the hippocampus, and you'll be able to see the white matter tracts that carry information from the hippocampus to the cortex and other regions. In order to expose the hippocampus, you have to make a horizontal cut at the floor of the lateral ventricle, in order to remove portions of the internal capsule. This pin is roughly being placed in the fornix. The remainder of the internal capsule is being removed. This exposes the seahorse-shaped structure of the hippocampus. This pin is being placed in the hippocampus, the green pin. If you proceed in removing some of the surrounding tissue, what you'll be able to see are other structures associated with the hippocampus, such as the fimbria. This pin is being placed in the fimbria.